Hi, this is Kajol and you're watching Bollywood Hangama.
I believe you read a lot, ma'am.
I do.
Somewhere you feel that reading is something that surely helps in terms of getting evolved somewhere. And
I don't read self-help books. मैं बता दूँ.
No, not like that. But
I don't like the fact that anybody should tell me how to live my life.
Right.
कोई मुझे बता नहीं सकता कि मुझे अपनी जिंदगी कैसे जीनी है. मैं believe ही नहीं कर सकती और मैं agree भी नहीं कर सकती.
No, ma'am. Reading in the sense that any sort of reading, it can be novels, it can be anything.
Habit.
In terms of something food for the mind somewhere.
It's food for the mind, and it's like they say, you're never alone if you have a book with you.
बिल्कुल.
So I think it's one of those feelings that you have that you're always comfortable with your own company. You like your own company somewhere down the line.
Absolutely.
So I can spend hours all by myself sitting and rereading my library, as they put it.
Fantastic. Ma'am, this is Shehla from Sri Lanka. Is there any funny nickname you'd like to give to SRK?
Is there any funny nickname?
Would you like to give any nickname to?
कितने nickname हो गया उसको? King Khan, weird name. King of Romance, King of Bollywood, SRK, कितने हो गए उसके? I can't add anyone to that big fat pile that he already has.
Okay, ma'am, this is Teresa.
भाई.
Teresa from Austria. If you can describe SRK, Varun and Kriti in one word.
If I can describe them.
SRK, if you like.
No, एक साथ.
नहीं, एक साथ नहीं. एक एक करके. जी, SRK.
Conscientious.
Varun, okay.
Kriti, hardworking. And SRK, maniac.
Okay.
Workaholic maniac. Can I put two words to him? Workaholic maniac. And don't ask me to describe myself.
No, absolutely. This is Mustafa Rashid from Dhaka, Bangladesh. Are you planning to pick up more projects after this? A lot of your fans have been asking this.
Well, we have got one film on Flaws, one film which we have got planned in ADF. So,
yes.
So hopefully that will start rolling next year. So touch wood, wherever the wood is.
Right. And you're doing something with Ram Madhwani as well.
I was supposed to be doing something with Ram Madhwani, but no, that script per se did not work out.
So
okay. We decided to cancel it at that point.
Okay, this is Arvind from Vancouver, Canada. How different is Rohit Shetty compared to the other directors that you have worked with so far?
He's very, very different, and at the same time pretty much the same. He's very organized. He's very safe because we've got a lot of stunts and a lot of action in the film.
बिल्कुल.
He's very open at the same time. तो अगर shot planned है और अगर मैं आऊँ और बोलूँ कि नहीं, I think we should do it like this, or whatever. I think I would like to put my character here or whatever. So he's very open that way. Yeah, whatever you want, however you want to work it. He'll work his technique around us as actors. So in that sense, he's not very different. But I think in terms of cinema, yes, of course, he has very much his own brand of filmmaking, his own style of filmmaking, and that is very, very different from all the other directors and things that we've worked with.
जी.